Alright, so we're looking for the watermelon bottle. I'm guessing like on a tree or something like that. If he does, then this got eyes. Got eyes. Get cover, get cover. Got a hit. I'm moving. You got eyes? Come to me, Wiggs. Come here. I'm gonna move up to this tree right there. You come to me. Quick, quick, quick. I'll give you cover fire. You just catch the barbed wire?
That's barbed wire.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
You almost ate it over that too. You straight? I got one out. No eyes on the bottle. Hey, you got one revived, dude. Are you serious?
Of course it's dead.
We should have more 8.4s. Checking my my drop leg medical pouch.
What?
Checking my drop leg medical pouch. There should be a couple in there. Man, where's the bomb? You guys did you put it up in a tree or did you just like lay it in the dirt? Alright, cool. Alright, Wiggs, come to me. I don't have any eyes on Hunter.
Dude, I was on clock. I had my glasses off and I had spit all over me cleaning them. I just happened to look up and see you guys. You guys were shooting me away. Shit.
Dude.
I almost killed myself on that barbed wire.
Yeah, Wiggins ate it hard and tripped over that barbed wire. Dude, we need to clip that stuff after this. I've got no idea where Hunter is. Let's try and move down this way. No eyes. I'm gonna get up to this big tree right in front of me. Right. Here, come to me, come to me. Do you have any eyes on the bomb?
I'm still working.
Yeah. No idea where he is.
I get this thing off my back fast. Fucking annoying.
You think we should risk moving up?
What?
You think we should move up?
Find the bomb and yeah.
Okay. Got a feeling it's down there on that base. Get down, go. No eyes. Got it. Reloading. They're whining, it's about to. He's down, down. Tyler! Tyler! Bring me a battery! Hey, get down, get down. He's gonna be able to see you. Try and get back to me. Huh? Just get up and run. Got no eyes. Tyler! Tyler Price! He's right down in here somewhere. I'm gonna get to that tree. I'm taking fire. Hit! That was close. I got eyes on him. He's way down. Where the tits is the bomb? Wiggs. Wiggs. I might be dead. What? I might be dead. Hit! Hit! I'm out!